Implement a solution that would allow all the devices to communicate via one routed interface. No router on the stick, no SVIs, and you may modify one host configuration. There is one network listed, the 172.16.1.0/24 network. Let's log into the host devices and verify that they are configured properly. Host A has an assigned IP, as seen in the topology diagram. Host B is assigned the 192.168.1.0/24 network. Host C is in the 10.1.1.0/25 network. The constraints state that only one host device can be modified. There are already 3 different networks, so the solution will not be a simple IP change. Host D is in the 10.1.1.128 network. Infrastructure devices have IPs assigned, like the host A. Attempt to remote into router 1. Only one routed interface can be used. While the switches support this, using the router makes the most sense in this situation. Everything feeds up to it. The connected interface is gig 00 and it is assigned to 172.16.1.0 network already. In order for devices to communicate, they each need a gateway. But how can this interface serve as the gateway for multiple networks without subinterfaces? The answer is the secondary IP. Secondary IPs allow multiple IPs to be assigned to one interface. The command is the same as assigning an IP, but the secondary command is added at the end. Assign host B's network using the best practice of assigning the first available IP. Here you can see both IPs assigned. Return to host B and attempt to ping the IP you assigned. It works. For each of the remaining hosts, configure the gateway and verify reachability to the gateway as well as another host. When you reach host D, you will discover that reachability to the gateway works, but reachability outside the network fails. Check the gateway settings on host D. It is configured with the network ID and not the IP assigned to router 1. Host D had reachability to the gateway, but it was not aware it was the gateway. Host D will ARP for the wrong IP to MAC in a case like this. Change host D's gateway and try to reach the outside network. It works.